Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to do the unboxings of my new microphone. Let me show you really quick. So this is the new microphone that I have just bought, and it is going to be the first microphone ever that I'm going to use for my YouTube video. Let me show you what I have used so far since the first time that I started, making videos on YouTube. Okay, so this is what I use to make, videos on YouTube. Every time that I want to do voiceover, yeah, this one. This is from the iPhone 6 actually, and the quality from this one is actually acceptable. But I think it is high time for me, to upgrade my microphone. Okay, before jumping into the review, let's see what's inside the box first. Before deciding to get this model, I have already gone through many reviews from different sources. So this is the one I think is the most suitable for me in terms of price and quality. That is why I make this video, just to be one of the sources that you can trust, which helps you to decide whether to go for this one or not. This microphone is MAONO, the AU-PM401. Regarding the price of this model is $70, but you can stay tuned to see if the quality is worth the price. You can check it by yourself. I actually have the link in the video description. Okay, so now before jumping into the review, let's do the unboxings all together. Hi guys, if you don't know me, I'm Paravuth. I make different videos about app review, unboxings, photography and filming tips. Be sure to subscribe to get more useful videos in the future. Okay guys, here is everything inside the box. As you can see in the box, there is a user manual. So if you're not sure how to set up all of these, be sure to read it. A business card of the company. This model comes with a pop filter, windscreen cap and USB cable. This USB cable is a type A to type B USB. The A is for the computer and the B is for the microphone, which is one of the reasons why I decided to buy this microphone over the other models. Other microphones I have checked are used with USB type C or audio jack port, which is not really good for long-term use. Okay, here is the microphone itself. As you can see, there is a button here to mute or unmute yourself for recording. Below this button, there is an audio jack port, which is used for headphone when you want to listen to your own voice while doing the voiceover. This is the shock mount and the table clamp, which you can mount this on the table. Okay, let's set up all of this together. As you can see, it's quite convenient to have this setup in front of the computer. Also, the boom arm is very flexible, where I can lower or raise it higher to meet my position, no matter I'm standing or sitting. Well, to use the microphone, you have to plug it in the computer, then go to the system preferences, make sure that the output is selected with microphone. If you want to use it in the Final Cut Pro, of course you have to launch the Final Cut Pro and then go to the voiceover here and make sure that the input is changed to microphone, and make sure you select stereo 1 and 2. Okay, now it's time to test the sound quality. Okay guys, so what you are hearing right now is the audio quality right from MAONO. As you know, this is the first time that I use the microphone to do the voiceover. As I mentioned earlier in this video, the first ever microphone that I used was the headphone from my iPhone. So I'm going to switch from this audio quality to the headphone that I normally use so that you can compare which one is better. Okay guys, so what you are hearing right now is the audio quality right from the iPhone headphone. So as I mentioned, I have used this one since the first time I started my YouTube video. So every time that I want to do the voiceover, this is the only option that I can go for. And as I mentioned, the audio quality is acceptable for me, but I'm not quite sure if it is acceptable for you or not. Well, after the comparison, I'm not quite sure what you guys think, but for me, this is a whole new experience with high quality. This is what I have been waiting for, and also this kind of quality is something that I have always tried to stimulate when using my old iPhone headphone. When using the iPhone headphone, I normally apply a few audio effects in order to produce better quality. But look at this. This is going to change my voice-over experience completely, because I don't have to spend much time adjusting the audio quality or applying effects. This microphone saves me a lot of time. And another reason is that when using the iPhone headphone, I find it annoying when I cannot just use the iMac speaker to listen to my own voice. It's quite clumsy, because every time that I want to listen to my own voice, I have to put in the headphone, and then if I want to speak, I have to use my hand to hold the mic. But with this mic, I'm now able to listen to my own voice through the speaker, since this mic uses USB instead of the audio jack port, unlike the headphone, which is what I have always wanted. And also I don't have to hold the microphone using my hand, so now I'm just sitting and speaking in front of the microphone, because everything is set up, everything is in front of me, so I just sit down and speak, which is great. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this new microphone. Okay, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.